However, if you are a negative thinker and you always search about how the world is coming to its end, the youth becoming a failure to the society, the economy is the worst ever, or your credits that are piled up, and think that you can never pay this, you will surely receive more news and information in this, since these are what you are seeking, instead of possible solutions. An example is instead of the end of the world, how about you make a way, so that you could appreciate the moments of your life, or the beauty that this world offers to us, by traveling, making a way to preserve it, or focusing on this mindset. You'd be shocked that you will notice the beauty of nature, the animals, wind, or the landscapes near you that you didn't even notice before. If you could even make programs to preserve its wonders, then that would be great too.